Ooh, she's shiny. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to try starting a new series here on my channel because it's been a minute since we've had a series going on, and I wanted to kind of do like the 1 minute I teach you how to do something. Yeah, you feel me? So today I figured the best one that I could start off with is, in my opinion, like the quintessential one for summertime, which would be how to cream contour. So whenever I think of summertime, I literally think of like bronzed goddess. And one way that I achieve said bronzed goddess look is by cream contouring. So I'm going to teach you today in less than 1 minute, or 1 minute or less, I should say, 1 minute or less, how to complete the cream contour look. Because in my opinion, the cream contour look looks a smidgen more natural than just the powdered contour look alone. Now don't get me wrong, I do them both. Don't get me wrong or twist it, sister. I do them both. However, if you would just prefer one or the other, I'm going to show you how to cream contour because not everybody knows how, and that's okay, and I'm going to show you. Ready? Here we go! Let's begin. Okay, so the first things first is you are going to need a cream contour device. So the device that I choose to use is this one right here. This is the Hoola Quickie Contour Stick. This is my all-time favorite cream contour product. It's the creamiest, and I think it looks the least muddy. You don't want something that's going to look muddy because you're going to look like you literally took dirt and just rubbed it all over your face. I mean, you can do that if you want, just not my aesthetic. You grab your little ditty here. So I have literally just outlined the perimeter of my face and anywhere that I want to bring dimension back to. Now, I've mentioned this in previous videos. You all know that I have a lot of real estate up here, so I put a little bit more than most people would on their forehead. So grab yourself a dense blending brush. This is the one that I use. It's a crown brush, and she's just got those really dense bristles. I start here on my nose. And boom! That's it. Wasn't that easy? There's just nothing to it. Why complicate something that just doesn't need to be? So this is it, my friends. My 1 minute explanation of how the hell you cream contour your face. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you are going to love this brand new series. I need to go ahead and get off here and powder this face before it slides off onto the floor. So thank you so much for tuning into this one, guys. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click that notification bell right next to that so you get notified every single time I upload, because trust me, you want to be here. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye-bye.